Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an exciting review of Bitget and the various bonuses you can take advantage of. If you're looking to maximize your trading benefits, don't forget to use our Bitget referral code 4H6K to get some exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Bitget itself. Founded in 2018, Bitget has quickly become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, Bitget offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. Bitget operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Now, let's dive into the types of bonuses that Bitget offers. There are several ways you can benefit from using Bitget. First, there are welcome bonuses for new users. These bonuses give you a great start and a little extra boost when you first join. Next, we have deposit bonuses and trading fee discounts. These bonuses help you save money as you trade, making your investments go further. Finally, Bitget often runs special event bonuses and promotions that you definitely don't want to miss. So, how do you earn these bonuses? Let's go through the process step by step. First, you need to sign up for an account. During the registration process, make sure to enter our referral code 4H6K to access the exclusive bonuses. After registering, you can participate in various bonus programs by meeting the required criteria, such as making a deposit or completing a trade. Bitget makes it easy to earn and maximize these bonuses, so be sure to check out their promotions page regularly. Now let's walk through how to register and sign up on Bitget. First, visit the Bitget website or download their app. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Don't forget to use our referral code 4H6K during the registration process to get those exclusive bonuses. Once you're signed up, you'll be able to explore all the features and bonuses Bitget has to offer. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be ready to start trading in no time. Next, let's talk about trading fees. Bitget offers competitive fees starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. This makes Bitget an attractive option for both small and large traders. Compared to other major exchanges, Bitget's fees are very competitive. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, which is great for maximizing your returns. Bitget is packed with features and services to meet all your trading needs. They support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even P2P trading, Bitget has got you covered. Other great features include Bitget Earn, where you can stake your coins and earn interest, and the Bitget Launchpad, which provides early access to promising new projects. The user interface on Bitget is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and Bitget doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, Bitget has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Security is a top priority for Bitget. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. Bitget also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Bitget is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that Bitget remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using Bitget? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making Bitget a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, Bitget is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Bitget has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our Bitget referral code 4H6K when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used Bitget and what your experience has been. Happy trading with Bitget. Until next time, happy trading with Bitget, and don't forget to use the referral code 4H6K.